Hello! This is going to be one of the last update videos before the full systems test. I put some shims under the steering knuckle mounting points, so it should be more stable for the steering wheels. And I've adjusted the elbows a little bit, so hopefully the arms will bend a little more. And what else have I done? Ah yes, we'll take a peek inside. I shortened the grip point of the, well, I guess I gotta call it the clutch engage pedal. So it's a little bit off the floor and a little bit narrower so it doesn't hit the pedals right here. Oop. I've got a wobbly ladder right here. See this? This is improper ladder use, never do this. And I've got a piece of wood right here, so when pressure is applied on this pedal, it doesn't, you know, only wobbles in and not out, which would be very uncomfortable. Hopefully with the pressure applied from the foot, it should, you know, just slide along, slide back, no problem. I've adjusted the elbow over there, and I've reconnected this arm right here. Might need to adjust the tension on that wire, but that's not a big deal. But the most important thing is the steering now. If we flip the lever, or the pedal, towards the pilot, so down there, now we'll just climb out. And we can see that putting the pedal towards the pilot makes the wheels turn left. And it's got a nice automatic end stop so we don't overextend the actuator. Now, we'll put the pedal towards, stay there ladder, towards the front of the mech, and that should make the wheels turn right. Let me just adjust this ladder. Always, when you're using a ladder, make sure it's got a nice, good, even base, and because you don't want to be hanging off it and fall off it like I almost did. So we'll go into the mech, and we'll push the lever or pedal forward, and we'll take a look at the wheels. And you can see now they're going to the right. So I forget the exact setup of the hip pedals, but you know, it's a fairly easy fix. I can just swap the connectors to the linear actuators. Now what's happening is I think I'm coming up with the same issue as I am with the linear actuator in there, that the bolts are kind of bending a bit. So it's not giving the full range of extension with the linear actuator, so the bolts got to bend a bit before they reach their I guess bending limit and they actually start to move the wheels. But you know, I can do some fine-tuning once I start driving it around. And I don't know what's going on with my optical system at the moment. I think it's I pinched some of the little ribbons on the wiring for the PyCam, because I tried it with just a little itty-bitty ribbon and it worked fine. So I should be getting the parts for that in the next few days. But worst case scenario, I'll just strap one of my little netbooks into the cockpit and then run a webcam up into Marduk's head. That will do pretty much the same thing. It's just it will be Windows based. But you know, one can't be too picky with prototypes. Now see, I would be doing the full systems test right now, but after all the tweaks I've had to do today, it's about 20 minutes from sunset, so I don't want to be, you know, fumbling around in the dark with a giant robot. It's unsafe enough as it is, never mind without any light. So probably will be done in the next, well, this video will probably be going out Friday, so I guess it will be this weekend in your time tomorrow, I guess, or the next day I'll be doing the giant robot stuff. You know, I'll be posting the video on probably Monday. It's weird thinking about all this scheduling stuff in the future, you know. But hey, that's the nature of YouTube. But that should be all for today. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.